Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is, you can see here, Panasonic brand front loader washing machine. This machine actually brand wise Panasonic model is NAS 128 M2, 12 kg, also 8 kg dry machine. This machine wash cycle, wash performance, everything's are perfect, but problem with the while selecting dry option, it is not go for the dry option. That's mean it's within few minutes it's showing E38 error message. This is the topic today, and I'm going to repair this one. I will show you what is the problem, why is showing E38, and we will go to the checking process. Now I already given power connection, and also I am selecting here dry option. That's mean direct dry I'm selecting here. You can see here dry only, but here it's still having RPM, that's mean spin cycle. I'm cancelling spin cycle also like that. Now I will start the machine. Now it will go for the direct spin only, direct dry only. You can see here it's showing only the dry, but time is very high. It is 5 minutes, 5 hours and 5 minutes. Now we will wait. It is within few minutes it will show E38. Now you can see, dear friends, this is the problem. It's not go for the dry option. It's immediately it's showing E38. Now I have to remove the top cover. After that we can check. We will check dry part, dry duct, heaters, thermistors, also blower. Everything we have to check properly. After that we can recognize what is the exactly problem, and we will remove the top cover and we will see. First we will disconnect the power connection. Now we will remove the here 2 screws. After that we can remove the top cover here. Now we will check first here thermostat here, also here also. This two we will check. Just dear friends, that thermostat all okay. Also we will check this one also. This one also okay, no any problem. And we will check the heater connection. Yes dear, heater also okay, no problem. We will connect again as same before. Now here also one thermistor, also here also thermistor. This one heating thermistor, this one actually this is exhaust thermistor here. Here also thermistor. We will remove this thermistor. This thermistor while we are checking it should show the continuity. You can see, dear friends, it's showing continuity. But we will check other one also. Now we will check the continuity. It should show continuity properly. Yes, my dear, it is not showing continuity. It's not showing. That means this thermistor already gone. After replacing, we will check again. Dear friends, actually I having the same. This one it is GL. It is number is here. GL GA 00511. It is 4.8 kilo ohms. It should be. Yes, we will check here. But this one not showing. It should be actually 4.8 kilo ohms. Yes, my dear, it is showing actually the 4.8 kilo ohms. It should be. Now you can see here it is showing properly. That means this is new one. I will fix here. Now I will give the heater connection also here, thermostat connection also. Now it's okay. Also I will give this connection also. Yes, anyway we will give the power connection and again we will check. Now I already given power connection here. Also I'm selecting again as same before, dry option, also cancel here, and we will start the unit. Yes, my dear, you can see here it is machine start already. Before it's not like that, drum not rotate. It suddenly while selecting dry option it came E38. Also I want to show you something, that E37 and E37, it's related to the two thermistor. If it is other thermistor also get damaged, it will show 37. Now I will do one thing, I will remove that thermistor connection, and after that it will show 38. It will show or not, we will check. It should actually show. If it is showing E37 and E38, this two thermistor problem with the Panasonic brand. Anyway, I will remove this thermistor connection. Now machine is running well. It's also heating. Now you can see here it is too much warm. Now I will remove this thermistor also connection. Yes, my dear, you can see now what happened. That means if it is this sensor also getting damaged, at the same time it will show 37. You can see here, but it is related with these two sensors. That means heating side and exhausting side, absorbing side. Is two sensors. It's not working. It will show 38 and 37. Now I think you know, you got the idea. If it is Panasonic machine inverter system front loader washing machine, if showing E37 or 38, you have to change, you have to check these two thermistors. If it is one damage, it will show 38. other one get damaged, it will show 37. Now I think you learned something, and I'm going to replace this one. I'm going to complete my job now. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.